Okay, here we go. We have some spruce gum that was cooked up. It's all gooey. We actually threw in a little bit of bear fat in here, just so that when the sap dries on the canoe, it doesn't get as hard as a rock. We want the sap to have a little bit of flex, so when the canoe flexes, the sap will flex with it. And plus it won't get so brittle in the winter time when it when you store it, if you have to store it outside. And so this is the texture that you're looking for. It's nice and gooey. You definitely do not want to stick your hand in there because it's hot. If you stick your hand in there, when you take your hand out, it's only going to be like a skeleton hand, because that's how hot it is. So just like that. And this is all spruce gum. Deshkaanziibing is what it's called. Deshkaanziibing. And it's nice. So we have to let it cool down just a little bit more before we actually put it on the canoe, because it's still pretty kind of hot, and we need it to thicken up a little bit before we can handle it. Okay, there we go. Miigwech. Deshkaanziibing. Hey, hey.